Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the common mistakes in qualitative research and how to fix them. First up, methodological inconsistencies. This happens when the methodology you say you're using doesn't match the methods you actually use. For example, claiming to use Kawaii's phenomenology, but then analyzing the data with content or thematic analysis. This causes confusion about your research approach and weakens your study's credibility. The fix? If you are using Kawaii's method, you should explicitly follow and describe its 7-step process rather than using a different, possibly incompatible method. If you're using grounded theory, your analysis should be using grounded theory analysis, using theoretical sampling and constant data comparison, not just describing what you found. Always justify why you're choosing particular methods and how they fit your research design. Next, misuse of triangulation. Triangulation means using multiple methods or data sources to confirm your findings, but some researchers claim they've used it without actually doing so. This can undermine the validity of your study. To avoid this, be clear about the different methods or data sources you're using and explain how you compared or integrated them to strengthen your conclusions. Data saturation and sample size is another big one. Data saturation is when further data collection doesn't add new information. Many studies claim to have reached saturation without explaining how they determined it. The fix? Explain how you decided your sample size was adequate and how you determined saturation was reached. Document the number of participants and provide a rationale based on your study's nature and complexity. Inadequate justification of sample size is also problematic. Qualitative research often involves smaller sample sizes, but you need to justify why your chosen size is appropriate. Avoid this by justifying your sample size based on your research question and method. Explain how you selected your participants and why this method is appropriate for your study. Lack of transparency in data analysis can make your study irreproducible. Failing to provide detail on how data were coded or themes developed can undermine the reliability of your findings. To avoid this, describe your coding and data analysis procedures clearly. Use tools like coding software and provide participant quotes to support your analysis. Finally, ethical issues and informed consent. Ethical lapses, like failing to obtain informed consent or breaching confidentiality, can harm participants and undermine your research's integrity. The fix? Ensure clear communication about participants' rights, including their right to withdraw at any stage. Suppose a participant wants to withdraw after they have already provided their data, and the researcher has already started analyzing it. In this case, withdrawing their data may not be feasible, especially if it has already been anonymized, integrated into the analysis, or if it could significantly alter the study's findings. Common issues in qualitative research can be avoided with transparency, consistency, and rigor. Clarify your methodology, methods, and data analysis processes to make your research more robust and credible. That's it for today.